In today's video, I'm going to teach you linking tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect related work, so your team has a clear picture of what depends on what and where to look next. First, open ClickUp and head into your workspace. You can do this in your browser or desktop app. Make sure you're signed in so you have access to your spaces, folders, and lists. If you're new to ClickUp, create your account first, then log in and you'll land on your workspace home. From here, navigate to the overview of your team space. The overview is a great starting point because it gives you a high-level snapshot and quick access to the places where your tasks live. If you work across multiple spaces, double-check you're in the right one for the project you're linking. Next, switch to the list view. List view lays your tasks out in a simple, scannable table, which makes it easy to spot the task you want. If your list is long, use filters or search to narrow it down by assignee, status, or keywords. Open the task you want to work on. This is the task you'll be adding a link to. When the task pane opens, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct task by checking the title and any key details like status or due date. Now look for the plus button inside the task pane. It's typically located toward the bottom or along the right side of the panel, depending on your layout. Clicking this plus opens options to add more context to your task, including links to other items. Copy the link for the task you want to connect. The fastest way is to open that other task and use its copy link option, which gives you the internal task URL. Then come back to your original task and paste the link into the field that appears after you click the plus. When you enter it, ClickUp recognizes the task URL and creates the connection. If you don't see the field right away, scroll within the task pane or expand the section to reveal it. That's it. Your tasks are now linked. You should see a reference appear on the task, making it easy for anyone on your team to jump between related work. As a tip, consider adding a short note in the task description or a comment to explain why the tasks are connected. If timing matters, you can also explore using dependencies, so one task is clearly marked as waiting on another. And there you go. Linking tasks in ClickUp is quick and straightforward. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this.